Yo, what's up, investors? Welcome back to another episode of Investing with KJ. I'm KJ the Investor, and as you can tell, they've cut the stock market back on this evening. Let's jump right on into it. Right now, we're looking at the portfolio. The value is $43,692. $43,692. It says that we're down $5.93 in the past hour, but if you know, like I know, they just cut the market back on, so it's gonna be like that until we see some movement throughout the day. As you can tell, we click on the 1 day tab, and there you go. Look how green it is. Buying power, $195.18. Let's go ahead and look at this. Interest occurred this month, $1.34. Lifetime interest paid, $53.47. Cash earning interest, $45.18. That will update to the buying power, which is $195 once the market is fully back on come Monday morning. Crypto, for you crypto guys, I got 101 USDC crypto coins. I got a little bit of AVAC that was free when I got into crypto. And if you've been following the page, you know I sold some Ethereum at a profit that I had before. Now, getting into my stocks and ETFs, I'm going to cover some main ETFs today, maybe a couple of main stocks, but just kind of give you guys like a overview of the new holdings, or give you an overview of where we currently stand right now. Now, if you know about VOO, the S&P 500, the Vanguard ETF, it's at $502.47. I got 1.19 shares of that. Market value $600.49. My average cost was $445.12. How many people know that that's where the wealth is created? The bigger the gap is between your average price and the actual price up top that it's trading at, the wider the gap, the more profit you've made. See, look at total returns at the bottom is $68.54. Now, VOO, that's not a lot of shares of VOO. It's only one. So what I did was go research other S&Ps, and I came across this one, SPLG. It's another S&P 500, but that tracks the same 500 companies, but it's at a much bigger discount at $64.32. I have 113 shares of SPLG, and I'm looking to grow it even more. Market value is $7,277.45. My average cost is $60.08. It's grown over time since I've kept buying more and more shares at the higher price, because it's the stock market is really like a continuous bull market. It's going to continue to grow. But like I said, as long as you can keep that gap in between your average cost and the actual cost that it's trading at right now, you're going to be in a profit. And then look at today's return, $480.28. SPLG year to date is up 15.83%. And everybody knows watching this channel that anything over 8%, we're getting rich. So do what you can to find stocks and ETFs. They're going to give you back at least that 8% return, but you want more. The S&P 500 is a good ETF to put your cash, your hard-working cash into, to give you that 8% or more return. So make sure you check out an S&P 500. Next, I want to talk to you about DGRO. DGRO is the iShares Core Dividend Growth ETF. Is at $59.98. This should be crossing $60 here pretty soon. As you can tell by the charts, it already spiked this today when they cut the charts back on. Right now, currently, I have 68.73 shares of DGRO. Market value is $4,122.78. My average cost is $56.42. Total return already is $244.67. So I'm looking to expand my positions. You see my shares is 68 shares of DGRO. I'm looking to expand to at least 100 shares, even more than that. But right now my goal is to get to 100 shares of DGRO. Next, I want to show you another ETF. There we go. I was looking for it. SCHD. A lot of you guys probably have heard of SCHD, especially if you're in the dividend sector of investing. If you are in a position where you've already accumulated wealth and you want to get the dividends off of the money that you already have, a lot of people love to put their money into SCHD, the equity ETF. It's right now it's costing $82.77. Year to date, SCHD has a return of 9.11%. Year to date, anything over 8%, we're getting rich, so that's not bad. I have currently 67 shares of SCHD. Once again, this one, just like DGRO, I have a goal of 100 shares or more. Trying to get my position up in SCHD. Market value is $5,545.80. My average cost is $77.96. Total return is $319.19. SCHD is the Schwab U.S. Dividend ETF. So, just like DGRO with 68 shares, SCHD 67 shares, and now SPLG, I got 113 shares. All three of those ETFs, I'm trying to get well over 100 shares apiece. Another big boy in my portfolio hitting for me is Walmart. Walmart is currently at $69.87. As you can tell, I have 102 shares. Well, why do I have 102 shares of Walmart? Because it is. Click on the year to date. Look at this. Boom. Year to date, Walmart is up, guys, 33.30%. And I've had Walmart in this portfolio for over, my gosh, probably 4 or 5 years without cashing out. So my return has seen the growth of the dividend, and it's also seen the growth of price appreciation. Even back here last year when Walmart did earlier this year, Walmart did a 3-to-1 split. It's also seen the growth from that as well. So average cost right now is $55.62. Market value is $7,140.54. If you look at total return, like this is what I'm talking about, $1,456.18, over $1,400 in returns. And I just added some more shares of Walmart just this past weekend. So I'm going to continue to invest in Walmart on a dollar cost average basis on DTA. I think I do like $50 every 2 weeks, something like that. But I'm going to continue to invest in Walmart, letting that stock grow. Owning shares of Walmart makes me part owner of the company. And just because I no longer work there like I used to, I'm still part owner of the company. So anybody who works at Walmart and everything, I benefit from all the hard work that you guys do. And so I'll continue to grow my position in y'all's company. Thank you. NVIDIA, look at this one. NVIDIA right now is trading at $114.52 since the market is cut back on. I currently have 43 shares and 43.41 shares. Market value is $4,971.63. My average cost is $119.79. Total return, I'm down $228.58. Look at this real quick. Year to date, NVIDIA is up 132.56%. Insane numbers growth, right, guys? Insane numbers of growth. But guess what? Anything over 8%, we're getting rich. But this right here will get you there super fast. NVIDIA has an earnings report coming up in like 2 or 3 days. Y'all, if you don't have any shares of NVIDIA, I would encourage you to research. I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't tell you what to do with your money. But I would love to tell you. I would look it up, and I would definitely research, because you either got market behavior, like market manipulation, basically with why stock prices are so low. because this stock at 114 is super low, is on sale, and I'm currently adding more shares to my position. 43 shares right now. It was 41 this past weekend, but I've added some more to my position, and I'm currently still adding some more, even after this even after this earnings report that we're finna get ready to go through. I'm gonna continue adding shares to this position. I want to get NVIDIA well over the 100 share mark. So anyway, I've added more to my position. I'm gonna add more. You got to do the research on companies like this that have strong core values, and you have a strong belief system in. That's why it's gonna succeed. But I feel like NVIDIA is really one of those companies. It's one of the Mag 7s, and it's also one of those companies that you can really get your return on investment. Meta right now is at $471.42. I got 2.4 shares of Meta, market value $1,138. My average cost of Meta is $505. Total return negative $81.33. Not to worry, because $471 is a discount for Meta right now. Oh, let me show you this. Meta year to date is up 34.19%. Like 2 weeks ago, a week and a half ago, when I checked Meta, it said year to date Meta was up like 50%. So it was a 50% return on your money in the investment. So, man, Meta is another one of the Mad 7s, y'all. So don't be sleeping on it. I got more stocks like Alphabet, Class A, Class C, which is Google. I got Apple in here. I got Amazon in here. I got Microsoft in here. I got a bunch of the Mad 7s, y'all. I used to have Tesla. I sold my Tesla at a profit so I could increase my position on NVIDIA, and I'm currently adding more to that position. Gonna get ready to wrap this video on up. But get ready to check out the earnings report, guys. Like I said, this value of this portfolio, I feel like it's gonna shoot up sometime this week. Also, we on the road to 100K. I want you guys to be aware of that. I'm going to continue buying great companies, great ETFs, and the vision, y'all. I don't want you guys to forget what we're here to do. We're here to help people invest. We're here to help, especially beginners. But you can be a beginner. You can be a middle, be doing this part-time, full-time, or you could be a long-term investor, middle-age investor, the beginner investor. It doesn't matter. This page is for you. If you find this information helpful, beneficiary, or anything like that, make sure you share the broadcast. Make sure you share the channel. Subscribe if you want to see more content. Also, any kind of comments, questions, concern, drop them down in the bottom in the comment section of the video. I do my best to get in touch with everybody, respond to you on the next video, that video, or respond in the comments. All that, is good. So, on the road to 100K, right now we're valued at $43,707 on this one. That is definitely going to change when these earning reports come out for the rest of the tech sector. This week right here coming up, we got Apple reporting earnings. Last week, we just had Google, and last week we had Tesla. Like I said, I already sold all my Tesla, but I still get updates on it. And I'm thinking about jumping back into Tesla. I'm mostly investing in Mag 7 companies if I'm going to do individuals. But like you've seen, I got ETFs like SPLG, DGRO, SCHD are my ETFs to help get me to where I need to be financially, because ultimately it's not to get wealthy is not just to be able to buy anything I want to buy, but it's also to be able to control my time and my freedom, so I don't have to continually be on somebody else's job doing work for them, when I can really just have my own freedom and control every minute of my day for myself, right? And that's ultimately the goal. That's my goal. Hope is your goal. I know everybody want to reach wealth for different reasons, and we want to get to where we got to go financially for different purposes. But if you want your time back, your freedom to be able to do what you want to do when you want to do it, follow this channel, because guess what? We're going to be doing it together. building up our portfolios together. I don't care if you only got $6,000 in there. I don't care if you already got $750,000 in your portfolio. This channel is for you because we're gonna be helping one another in this community. This is an environment for all of us to come and congregate and help each other to win and to grow and to get to where we gotta be, which is ultimately freedom, having time to do whatever we need to do. We don't have to wake up late in the evening or early in the morning, getting out of our beds to go work for other people, but we can actually work for ourselves and do what we need to do. Our assets will be working for us. Our stocks and ETFs and our cryptos will be working for us. And so that's what this channel is all about. Anyway, I appreciate you guys for watching. Like I said, if you know somebody who could benefit from this, share this video, share this page with them, tell them to subscribe. You know, on the road to 100K, I got another $37,600 something going into another IRA, high yield savings. Also got another Fidelity account, got another 1,000. It's about 12 or 1,300 in there, and it's growing. Also got another $3,000 to $4,000 in cash savings. So we're sitting at around 85, 86,000 right now. Like I said, before the end of the year, hopefully we get to where we want to go. And that's over 100K. And you guys going to be here along the way to see it happen. So I appreciate you guys. I thank y'all for everything you're doing. Continue to show and grow and progress. Remember, anything over 8%, we're getting rich. This is KJ the Investor. Love you guys.